Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I don't know about you, but I travel a lot with food. So I am super happy to have this BougeRV portable refrigerator to help me to keep it all really fresh. My husband and I do a ton of traveling. We are on the road for hours at a time, so it gives me so much peace of mind to know that our food is keeping nice and cool in this refrigerator. I have the 30-quart capacity, and for me, I think that it is just perfect. I can fit a lot of food essentials in there. It's pretty easy to move around. For one thing, I don't find it to be super heavy, but also it has these really great handles built into the sides, which makes moving it around a breeze. It comes with the plug-in adapters for plugging it into our car, or we can plug it into just a regular outlet in our house whenever or wherever we need some extra refrigeration. We have a little power station for emergencies, and I was so happy to see that this fridge works while plugged into it. This will definitely be appreciated by us during any future power outages. I think the versatility of it is amazing. I can easily set the temperature to whatever I want, so we can use it as a refrigerator or as a freezer. For all our future road trips or outdoor adventures, this BougeRV portable refrigerator will definitely be coming with us. But that's just my point of view.